Yeah. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. I post these kind of videos on my channel on Thursdays and Sundays, and I film them often. I have like a stack of palettes that I want to go through, so you're gonna see quite a few more of these videos involving eyeshadow at least. And the one we're doing today is the Natasha Denona What Are You, Peak? This one is the Natasha Denona Peak eyeshadow palette. It's not like a palette really though, it's kind of just like a little meh, but we call it a palette, and it's like super fall. I'm feeling very fall, pumpkin-y vibes, so we're gonna be working with this today and I'm so excited. I've tried this before and it didn't go like super great, so I'm hoping this time we're gonna do better. And if you want to see more videos like this, I have a playlist just for eyeshadows, so go check it out. But let me put on a headband and let's get to work in here. This one is a 5-pan little shadow stick doodle. It's not a stick, but like it's a palette. It says 5 eyeshadow palette. Like, to me a palette is like, you know, like quite a few over like a surface area, not just a line, but it's okay. We're gonna call it a palette. And I've already primed my eyes with the Beauty Crop. I forget what it is called and where it went to, but it's here somewhere. I already primed my eyes with the Beauty Crop, so we're gonna go off of that. And let me just dig in here and see what I can make of myself. Let me get some brushes. Yes. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 mattes and 1 shimmer, which I absolutely love mattes. If you've seen any of my videos before with eyeshadows or things, foundations, you'll know I love mattes. Like, a lot. I guess, no. Yes, no. I want to use all of them. I do. Like, every time I get a hold of like an eyeshadow palette, I just want to use them all. So I want to come in with this one here and make it my little like transition-y shade. So let's come in and go all over. Doing great. We're doing good, I feel like, so far. I do come in and apply quite a bit more than I originally picked up, but it's okay. If I can pack it on and I get the color payoff, it's not bad. So let me do that, and then I want to use, ooh, this is hard. For sure, we're just gonna come up with this same brush too. That's the kind of girl I am. This is what I do with my life. I live dangerously. We're gonna come up with this one. Ooh. Tap it off a little bit because I don't know what kind of color payoff I'm gonna get right off. So, ooh, we're nice. All over that lid, all over the lid, all over, yes. And whatever's left, I'm gonna bring it down here. So far I like this. We're a little messy, but I'm still gonna keep coming in, and I'm gonna come in with this little brown shade here. I'm actually gonna switch over to a flat brush because I want to come in more precise with it. I really want to try and keep it on my outer corner, outer V area. So dab it, dab, dab. Ooh, I like how dark we're getting. I do. This is nice. Oh, this is so freaking beautiful. Wow. And I mean, I was gonna wait until later to do this, but I'm gonna come in with the shimmer, and I'm probably just gonna come in with my finger. And I noticed with a lot of shimmers, they just do better when I use my fingers, and I don't have like super long nails. I'm in between my nails right now, so I'm gonna come in, rub, come in with this. I'm gonna start from my corner and just kind of blend it towards my center. Yeah. I don't want to like speak out of turn or what have you, but I feel like a pretty little princess right now. I like this. I don't like having to take it off my fingers afterwards, but I like the way this looks so far. Yes. I may have gone a little crazy with the orange. Well, they're all pretty much orange, but one of the oranges. Other than that, we look pretty good. Where's my little buffety buff buddy? All right. That was it. Just 2 brushes. I'm doing good. Doing good. That's pretty good. I'm gonna come in with some mascara, maybe some eyeliner. That's not bad. We are not doing bad today. This is really nice. I like this. I think this is beautiful. Simple, tiny 5-pan palette. We're doing great. I did my brows darker today because I was hoping this look was going to come out darker and it was going to go with me like in my darkness today. I hope it does. I hope it works out well. Yes. Anyway, I like this look I came up with. I know these shadows come, or I should say this brand comes with a large, bigger than most, up there. There's a price tag associated with this brand, and it's kind of worth it. I mean, when I pack on the colors, yes. When I first like kind of just swash it across and then kind of swoop it over, no. There was nothing, absolutely nothing. But I kind of like went back a few times and reapplied, and it came out, I mean, it came out so good. Look at this, look at this. It came out good, as you can tell. It came out really good. I like it. I'm still a little torn because I know the price tag is up there, and this is this. Not like, you know, where are my bigger palettes? My ColourPop, for instance, is probably half the price of this, and this is like a special edition collaboration palette, and it's still not as much as this. The color palette with ColourPop is insane. No one can touch them. No, well, for the time being, no one can touch them. This is pretty nice though. I do enjoy this look. I hope it stays all day because I have errands to run. I made up errands to go run so I could go get a pink drink and a pumpkin spice latte, or maybe a matcha latte, because I'm feeling very fall and festive-y. And I know a pink drink isn't festive, but I've been wanting one. Do you guys like this particular palette from Natasha Denona, the Peak palette, or do you guys have a preference on like a different one? I know I have a few others around here somewhere, and I'm going to be trying them and making videos with them as well. This is just a look I came up with this one. I don't know if you guys have tried other looks. I know you can definitely come in with 1, maybe 2 shadows of this and then make amazing things happen. But this is what I came up with, and I like it. I'm gonna go now. Thank you very much for hanging out. If you like what you saw, hit that like and the subscribe button. And I'll catch you next time. Bye.